Scratch Programming Constructs. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving into Chapter 6 Basic Programming Constructs with Scratch. We'll break down the core concepts, learn how to handle code blocks, and walk through the cycle of designing and debugging your programs. Core Programming Constructs. First, let's look at the foundation of coding. Sequence is where it starts, an ordered set of instructions. Then we have events which act as triggers, like clicking the green flag. Loops or repetition allow actions to repeat until a condition is met. Selection using if-then blocks helps your program make decisions. And finally, variables. These are names we give to values that can change throughout your project. Working with code blocks. Now, how do we build? In Scratch, we use stack blocks to create logic. You can easily drag blocks from the palette to your workspace, delete them if you change your mind, or even restore them if you make a mistake. Designing a Scratch program. Designing a program follows a simple 4-step process. 1. Open the Scratch software. 2. Select your sprite. 3. Choose a backdrop for your stage. And 4. Program the sprite to bring your ideas to life. The debugging cycle. Every programmer encounters errors, which we call bugs. Debugging is the process of fixing them. The cycle is simple. Plan and write your code, test it to find errors, identify the cause, and fix it. Keep repeating this until your program runs perfectly. Conclusion. Mastering these basics is your first step toward becoming a skilled developer. Happy coding.